faster. Fix it quick, go faster, faster. Four little dinos looking sad, Chad. That big bite was really bad. Cake is messy on the floor. What can we do? We need some more. Don't worry, dinos, it's okay. Let's clean up and start the play. We can still have fun. Yes, let's share what's left. Three little dinos grab some cream. Hot fun, let's rebuild the birthday dream. One dino slip, oh what a scene. Cream went splat on the screen. Oh no, sticky party fun. Clean it up, job not done. Two little dinos fixing fast. Found this cake disaster won't last. They add some berries, red and sweet, but now the cake is looking neat. Oh, build it up, make it right. Birthday cake is shining bright. One little dino proud and glad. Birthday turned from good to bad, but friends all helped and smiled so wide. Word now they dance side by side. Cake is ready, candles glow. Happy dinos in a row. Make a wish, they all shout. Birthday joy all around.
We need a plan. Maybe hide it? No, let's clean up. Good idea.
Pop, pop, bubble pop. Look who's here, it's Baby Shark. Pop, pop, bubble pop. Let's blow bubbles, ready, start. Baby Shark in the ocean blue. Found a wand, shiny and new. Dip it in and blow it slow. Wow, so many bubbles. Go, go, go. Pop, pop, bubble pop. Floating up, they never stop. Big and small, watch them fly. Color bubbles in the sky. One big bubble, oh so round. Lifted baby off the ground. Uh-oh, mommy, help me please. Floating high above the seas. Mommy Shark just laughs out loud. Wave your fins and don't be proud. Pop, pop, bubble pop. Up you go and never stop. Wiggle, wiggle, down you drop. Splashy landing, bubble pop. Daddy Shark says let me try. Blows huge bubbles to the sky. Grandma Shark makes rainbow ones. Grandpa Shark, 10 at once. Pop, pop, bubble pop. Family fun that never stops. Round and shiny, big and bright. Bubbles dancing left and right. Baby Shark blew one too fast. Uh-oh, it grew super massive. It covered fish and coral too. Even Daddy shouted, woo! All together, clap, clap, clap. Bubble burst with a giant snap. Up, hop, bubble pop. Silly bubbles never stop. Laugh and splash and dance around. Bubbly fun is what we found. Now the bubbles drift away, shiny at the end of day. Baby Shark waves with a smile. Let's blow bubbles one more while. Pop, pop, bubble pop. We had fun, it's time to stop. Clap your fins and sing along. Bubbles make a happy song. Boom, boom, clap, clap. Old MacDonald's farm is back. Boom, boom, jump and sing. Farmyard chaos led to boom. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm a cow went boom, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there. Then one after every row. Boom, boom, what a sound. Milk is splashing all around. E-I-E-I-O. Oh no, farm is going crazy, yo. And on this farm a chicken ran. E-I-E-I-O. It danced so fast like Boom Boom Man. With a cluck cluck here and a cluck cluck there. Eggs are bouncing in the air. Boom boom, egg attack. Chickens doing funky dance track. E-I-E-I-O, let's go. Farm is shaking head toe. And on this farm a pig said boo, E-I-E-I-O. Jumped in mud with a splashy zoom, ooh. With a oink oink here and a oink oink there, mud is flying everywhere. Boom boom muddy fun, pig is sliding like a drum. E-I-E-I-O, so wild, even MacDonald shocked and smiled. And on this farm a sheep went pop, E-I-E-I-O. Jumped so high it never stopped. With a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there, wool is floating in the air. Boom boom fluffy storm, sheep are breaking every norm. E-I-E-I-O, hooray, farm is dancing all the way. Old MacDonald says, oh wow, this farm is wild, I don't know how. He tries to calm the boom boom sound, but animals keep jumping around. Boom boom farm on fire, funny way. Music, chaos, wild desire. E-I-E-I-O, so fun, best farm party ever done. Boom boom clap clap, sing with me, Old MacDonald's crazy spree. E-I-E-I-O, we go, farm yard fun will always glow.
With a clap.
Ellie, Ellie, where are you? Little elephant, we miss you. Jump and loud and walk, walk, walk. Find your family, hip, hip, hooray. Baby Ellie went to play one day in the jungle, green and far away. She saw pretty flowers, red and blue. Followed a butterfly, oh, where are you? Ellie, Ellie, where are you? Little elephant, we miss you. She walked and walked on her tiny feet, met a naughty monkey swinging so sweet. Monkey said, come climb with me, but Ellie said, oh no, I want my mommy. Then she met a wise old parrot bright. Parrot said, don't worry, we'll fly right. Giraffe stretched tall and looked awed, pointed the way with a happy sound. All the friends helped Ellie find the way. Through the river and tall grass they play. She heard her mommy's trumpet so loud, ran fast and hugged her in a big cloud. Now baby Ellie is happy and gay, never goes far when she wants to play. Holds mommy's tail tight every day. Family love is the best play. Trumpet, trumpet, hug, hug, hug. Little Ellie snuggle, snug. Honk, honk, the bus is here. Baby shark sings loud and clear. Sit down safe, hold on tight. Let's ride together, feels so right. 5 little kids got on the bus, laughing, jumping, making fuss. One Forgot the rules he should have known. Baby shark came with a smile. Let's sit safely for a while. Now all kids are sitting tight, smiling, happy, feeling right. No more chaos, no more fuss. Safe, safe riding on the bus. No more chaos, clap, clap, clap. Sit and ride, tap, tap, tap. Baby shark says be safe with me. Happy bus ride 1, 2, 3. Happy bus ride 1, 2, 3.